Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a subtitles to your videos automatically in Filmora using its AI speech to text feature. It's super easy, accurate, and perfect for making your videos more accessible and engaging. Let's get started. First, start by opening your Filmora and loading your video clip into the timeline. Then at top of the toolbox, click on the Tools menu and select the Auto Subtitle. Note that this feature is only available on the newer version of Filmora and make sure you've updated your software. Then there's a window that will pop up asking to choose a language of your video's audio. Select the correct language and hit OK to start the transcription process. And then the Filmora AI will now analyze your video's audio and generate subtitles automatically. This usually takes a seconds or minute depending on the length of your clip. Then once it's done, you'll see a subtitles appear in the timeline. Double click on the subtitle to edit the text, adjust the timing or change the font color, size, and more. You can also add a text effects. Then make sure that everything looks clean and reads well. And once you're happy with your subtitle, export your video as usual and the subtitle will be burned into the final video. And that's it. Subtitles added automatically in just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.